Alright, we're going to thread this Viking first because to wind a bobbin, you already have to have the machine threaded. Or partially threaded. So there's 2 spool pins on the back. There's a guide on the back of the machine here. It has a tensioner here with 2 sides for dual needle or for dual thread sewing, so you can run on either side of the tensioner. Thread comes down under this piece, which is where the take-up spring for the tensioner is, and then it goes up and around the take-up arm. There's just a rest here. This isn't a thread guide, it's just a rest for the thread to rub against. There's a guide on the top of the needle bar clamp, and then the needle threads from front to back. To wind a bobbin, I'm going to start with the machine threaded, so back guide, tensioner, take up spring hook, take up arm, and then instead of going down to the needle, we bring the thread across the front of the machine. There's a guide here, and then the machine automatically disengages when you wind bobbins. So you put a bobbin on it, and you need to make sure, because you are going through the tensioner, you have to make sure that you raise the foot when you are bobbin winding, or else the thread will be under too much tension when it winds. Alright, loading the bobbin. Bobbin case. The bobbin goes in. The bobbins are stamped, the original ones with an H on one side. If you make sure you get that facing out here, the bobbin is going to unwind clockwise, then go under the hook on the side of the case and come up under the spring toward the top finger, and then the case just slips into place.